Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, Clubby.
Hey, Papa Jim.
Ouch. Clubby, we're going to keep it easy today, man. Look, we've been eating unhealthy on this channel for years. Let's health it up a little bit. Let's get some shish kebabs.
Shish kebab. I don't know what those are.
I think they're healthy.
Okay.
First, let's go hit the P.O. box. I think I got something waiting for me. Lebanese food. I can't say we've ever had Lebanese food on this channel. I think it's kind of like Mediterranean food, but different, maybe. That Sharna stuff, right? I probably said that wrong. Sharna. Anyway, today we're not doing the Sharna. We're gonna do kebabs. We're gonna get some chunks of sirloin, some chicken breasts. It's gonna be amazing, man. And maybe we'll get some other stuff too. I don't even know, man. Anyway, the place we're going to, yeah, it's a Lebanese spot. It's based out of Mission Viejo. It's been around since April 2019, and it's got a perfect rating on Yelp. Perfect. Think about that. You found your bush.
For what? Oh, I thought you meant for the home.
Oh.
Ooh.
I've got stuff.
Possible option to choose.
From Pepper Palace. Pepper Palace. I wonder who sent this, man.
Pepper.
What'd we get?
Tell him what happened to Johnny, dude. He stopped coming around.
He did stop coming around. He got a girlfriend. That's what happens. Alright, this came from Chris Moran. It looks intense. It's a lethal dose. Should we try it?
You want to put some on our food?
Yeah, let's try it. Thanks, Chris. We're going to torture ourselves at lunch today. Oh, Clip's going off-road. Hell, why not? If you get up close enough to these things, I think the sensors go off. I think. Oh, look at all these sick cars. Alright, where is this place? Pretty sure it's on this street. Yep. Yep, here it is. Look at this. Front row parking.
Hey guys.
Hello, how are you? I think we're going to do the 6 and the 7.
Okay. You guys wanted to go for here?
Yeah, we'll eat out here. Oh man, unfortunately the audio got screwed up on this part. But I can tell you, the food here was so good, man. It was so fresh. Kleb loved it. I loved it. I'd be back. We spent about $30 and every dollar was worth it. The owner was super cool, so welcoming. The kind of place that you feel good going back to. I'll be back for sure. If you guys are in the Mission Viejo area, please go check this place out. Tell them who sent you, man. You won't be disappointed. Once again, much love to all the patrons of the channel. You know who you are, man. If you guys want to support the channel, I do encourage you to be a patron. Couldn't do it without them. Wouldn't want to. Also, much love to the channel partners. They're huge to this channel as well. All I ask, if you're in the market for any of their products or services, consider them first. Check out the links in the description of the video.